In this video, I'll show you how to use the AutoTRAX DEX PCB Designer on macOS. You can see the macOS window and the DEX icon on the right. To start DEX, double-click on the icon. DEX starts and opens a previously saved design, which is the serial backpack demo. It displays the 3D view. You can rotate the viewpoint by holding down the left mouse button and dragging. You can also zoom in and out by rotating the middle mouse wheel. Clicking on any of the viewport tabs displays the schematic and PCB for the design. To maximize the application, click on the Maximise button in the title bar. To minimize the application, click on the Minimise button in the title bar. To display the application in full screen mode, click on the View menu button and select Enter Full Screen. To return the view to normal size, click on the Exit Full Screen menu item. As you can see, DEX works well on macOS and offers a fully featured PCB design software program with a comprehensive set of ribbon menu items. It also makes full use of a 3-button mouse with a middle thumb wheel. So where do you go from here? I suggest you visit the DEX website to learn more, download, and install DEX for your own personal use. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using DEX.